In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook search history, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. You know very well that in this channel, we prioritize getting to the content without boring you with much nonsense or noise. Let's get started. Now, after logging to your Facebook application, click on your profile picture to the right, okay? Now, click on the setting gear, then scroll down. Just scroll down. Then under your activity, you will see a button for activity log. Click on it. Then once you are in the activity log, just scroll until you locate search history, then tap on it. Now you will see your search history. The next thing you want to do is to delete the search history that you don't want. Maybe I don't want this search history, then I'll delete it. If you want to delete everything, you will tap on clear search history. Then your entire search history will be cleared. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.